Everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix GPS signal lost on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. After click on my phone, so you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery and power saving and click on power saving. You will see battery optimization is here. If you want to fix this problem, so disable battery optimization. After disable battery optimization, you will check your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so factory data reset. Click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and click on reset phone. If you want to fix this problem, so click on factory reset and click on erase all data. After the process, enter phone pin, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix no GPS signal lost on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.